Okay, so we just got done with the Bennington Monument stair climb, and now we are doing Tim's favorite stair climb, the 1,000 steps run here.
Which is where I trained for my US Bank Tower record. This is the training.
Oh, sweet. Okay. So we're gonna take just a walk tour of it first, see how it is, and then we're gonna run it and see how fast we can do it. Because 2 Bennington climbs today wasn't enough of a workout, so this is the real workout. Jesse's gone. Oh, I can see how this is a huge quad burn. Huge steps. Yeah, but dang. Ever measure the elevation gain?
I think it's close to 300 feet.
Sheesh.
GPS tells me it's approximately 300.
300. Oh. Oh, he's gone down. This is dangerous.
Well, coming down is fine.
Yeah. Oh. And unstable rocks every so often too. Oh, Tim, what have you gotten us into?
I love training here.
Wow.
I set my record here for my record of the rest of the year. And Dave used to train here all the time when he was level 15. And the time I ran beat his best time by 3 seconds. So it was spectacular. And then it get a little flat,
Cool.
it's muddy. Tricky right here, that's why I want to stop here.
Yeah.
There's some tricky spots, but then it just keeps going up and up and up and up. And the steepest set of stairs is actually at the top. Like you're completely dead.
Yeah.
And then you've got stairs like this high, like 20 of them.
Jeez.
Go, Kevin! Up, up!
Nice. Fast, 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 fast. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on. Nice. Dig, 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 dig. Go, 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 go. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Go. Yeah. Oh. Scramble. Good feet, Tim. Tim Van Mountain Goat.
Slap my hands. I don't know if I'm gonna go.
Nice, Tim. Go, go. Yeah, it is. Tim. Oh, oh. Go. Ooh. Ooh, big steps. Wow, that's hard. Yeah, Jesse's part mountain goat. Nice. Let's go, Jesse.
Jesse!
Yeah.
All right, Jesse.
Oh.
Yeah. Top, all the way to the top, all the way to the top.
mountain
Yeah. Woohoo!
Yeah, baby.
He doesn't even look tired.
Sweet. He's still fresh. Look at these studs. These studs just did the Bennington Monument twice, and a bunch of times up the, what do you call that? 1,000 steps.
300 steps.
The first 300 of the 1,000 steps.
Once before the races.
Oh, that's right.
Pretty much hard full effort after.
Wow, those guys are fast. So now we are enjoying this lovely scenery in Bennington, Vermont. We're on a bridge over a river. How cool is this? And And you want to know the secret to these guys' success and speed upstairs? Show them your wrapper. What did you just eat? Raw revolution.
Raw revolution, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Step into a raw revolution.
And then Jesse's got his raw broccoli.
Say that in Japanese.
And Kevin's got his raw almonds.
Snap into an almond.
There's the secret right there.